Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. So I am an investment banker. I hold over 12 years of experience working in this investment banking and financial modeling. Okay. So I'm making this short video for all of those like who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. Okay. So this video will also be relevant for those people or those students who are looking to migrate or who are looking to basically switch their fields into like investment bank, who are looking to basically build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling and currently working in the other fields of finance. Okay. So in this short video, so we are going to talk about what are the requirement for getting into these kind of job. Okay. So in case you are a fresher or in case you are looking to build your career in the financial modeling or investment banking, so there are some prerequisites or that there are some pre-requirements which employers or these recruitment firms basically looks at. Okay. The first one is basically about your academic background. Okay. So they will check your academic background, the college, university that you're coming from. Okay. So although like this can be overlooked in certain situations, but for bulge break in investment bank or bigger M&A firms, so these firms are specifically looking for your academic background. Okay. Other than that, so there are a few skill set that you will require to basically get excelled in this particular field. So these are like basic to advanced Excel skills. Along with that financial analysis skill, so you should also be having the problem solving skills. Okay. So these are the skill sets that you'll be requiring to get excelled in this skill. Okay. So then along with that, so in case you really want to get shortlisted and in case you want to build your career, so when you'll be applying for these kind of opportunities, so they will be asking you to basically work on certain case studies or aptitude based tests. Okay. So these are the criteria, the shortlisting criteria for these employers when they look for any candidates within these job sets. Okay. So we have talked about like what are the pre-requirements and what are the prerequisites for these kind of jobs. So now we'll be looking at like what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Okay. So the first one is basically about the conceptual knowledge. Okay. So you should have good accounting knowledge. You should have good understanding about the time value of money concept and the basics of finance. Okay. Along with that, the financial statements, like you should have a good understanding of like the profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow, how these statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay. Then you should have basics to advanced Excel proficiency. You should be able to work on VLOOKUP, like basic to advanced Excel formulas such as VLOOKUP, index match, pivot table, conditional formatting, data tool, and so on. Okay. And within the investment banking or financial modeling, so you'll be working on different kind of models depending upon different kind of situations. So these are like DCF, LBO, M&A, three statement models. So these are like different kind of models that you'll be working on as a part of your daily job. Okay. So while you will be working on these models, so you'll be working on some sort of projections. Like when you'll be building these three statement models, so you will be basically doing some projections for the company for the next 5 year, 3 years. Okay. For that reason, so you'll be having good understanding about the business, how the revenue of the company is basically being driven. Okay. What are the costs associated with the business, like what are the different kind of expenses and costs associated with the business. Okay. And on what level, so in case you are moving forward, uh, in case you are looking to enter into the growth stage, so then on what stages the capital investments are basically required from time to time. Okay. So then the finally is like the financial modeling is not just about the numbers. Okay. So you should be good with like how you are presenting your analysis in a dashboard using some dashboard charts or storytelling. Okay. So this is all about, so these are the skill set that you'll be requiring to get enter into this particular field. Okay. So for that reason, so I have just done a quick comparison between two of the best uh, financial modeling and investment banking courses which are available online. Okay. And we will be doing a quick comparison between those, and then so you can take a call like which course will be more suitable for you as per your requirement. So now I'll be moving to do a comparison between both of these courses. Okay. Okay. So now we'll be looking at two of the best financial modeling program courses online. Okay. So first of all, we are looking at the Grand Thornton financial modeling program. So this is basically available. So if you look at the Grant Thornton, so they are having two kind of programs. So the one is the instructor-led online live program, and the other one is the e-learning program, which will be a self-paced program. Okay. So first of all, we are looking at the instructor-led online financial modeling program. So if you go to this particular page, so you just need to click on the financial modeling and valuation program online. Okay. So this course is basically, so what all they are covering in this particular course is like creating MS Excel doubts and refreshing Excel formulas, designing financial model, designing revenue and expense model for various industry like consumer goods, modern retail, real estate, and auto components, presenting reports using models, valuation techniques. So if you talk about the program deliverables, so this comes with the 70 hours of study, so 40 hours of instructor-led session through Cisco WebEx and 30 hours of recorded VBA and additional case studies. Okay, so this is a mix of the instructor-led session and there will be some 30 hours of recorded videos. Then that will be followed by the final assessment, and then you will be getting the access to Grant Thornton LMS for 1 year. Okay, and finally you'll be getting the certificate of completion on successfully passing the final assessment. This is about the instructor-led financial modeling course of Grant Thornton. So this is basically available for a fees of 30,000 rupees plus taxes. Okay, so now we'll be looking at the e-learning program, which is a self-paced program again offered by Grant Thornton. Okay, so we'll be clicking on the certification in financial modeling. Okay, so this course again covering all those content that we have seen in the instructor training. Okay, so out of these 80 hours of studies, okay, so you'll be getting 70 hours of course recorded videos, 8 hours of advanced Excel program, and 2 hours of other content and assessment. Okay, two-way communication and query resolution from Ask an Expert. So there will be a bot who will be resolving your queries. Okay, so you'll be getting LMS access of 1 year and certificate of completion on successful completion of those case studies. Okay, so this is about the self-paced program of Grant Thornton. Okay, so this is available for a fees of 18,000 plus GST. Okay, so which it will be 18% GST over the 18,000 rupees. Okay, now we'll be looking at one of the best financial modeling course, which is basically offered by the IIM Skills. Okay, so if we first of all we will be looking at the course highlights. So this course comes with 185 plus hours of course delivery, 100 plus hours of assignments, 25 plus hours of doubt solving sessions, 24/7 support, master's certification, 100% job guarantee, money back guarantee, one-to-one mentorship, lifetime access of the LMS portal, job portal exclusive access. Okay, so if we talk about the content part, so what they are covering in this particular course, so basic to advanced Excel, accounting concept and financial statement, ratio and KPI analysis, technicals of financial modeling, different types of financial model, business valuation, new age tool. So they are covering everything in this particular course. Okay, so this course also offers like so you'll be able to develop job interview skills such as resume building, mock interview preparation, LinkedIn profile building, communication skills. Okay, and along with that, so you will also be learning about like how to work on the business case studies, guesstimate, quizzes, hackathon, and a lot more things. Okay, so then this course basically comes with three different kind of variants. Okay, the first one is the self-paced program. So in this, you'll be getting access to the pre-recorded videos. You'll be getting the job support, placement portal access to financial model template worth $600. And if we look at the other program, so that is the master program. So in this, you'll be getting the live classes, lifetime LMS access, job support, placement portal access, 5 financial model template worth $2,000, WhatsApp group mentorship, paid internship, LinkedIn profile optimization, and lot more. Okay, so this is available for a fee of 50,000 plus 18% GST. And then there is an exclusive program which is offered by the IIM Skill, which is known as the Job Guarantee PG program. Okay, so in this particular program, so you'll be getting everything so that you need. Okay, so you'll be getting 10 plus financial model templates worth $5,000, one-to-one mentorship, paid internship, global placement guarantee, leadership lounge access, campus immersion, personal brand toolkit, international freelancing, 50% free refund if you are not placed anywhere. So this all of this is basically available for a fees of 1,50,000 plus 18% GST. Okay, so this is the course basically offered by the IIM Skills. Now we'll do a quick comparison between Grand Thornton and IIM Skills. Okay. So I've listed down a few parameters if you could see on the left. Okay. So basis which I've done the comparison. So on the course that both of them are basically, both of these courses are offering extensive amount of learning. So then Excel skill, live sessions that you'll be getting in both, live doubt session will be getting in both, internship support that is not available in the Grand Thornton, placement support is not available in the Grand Thornton. So course fee, so you'll be paying less in the case of Grand Thornton, but for that you will not be getting the internship or the placement support. For that reason, so they are charging less. Okay. For the course duration, so Grand Thornton is basically covering this entire course with a mix of like pre-recorded videos as well as instructor-led session. But if you go with IIM Skills, so everything will be instructor-led session if you go with the master program of financial modeling with IIM Skills. Okay. So for the money back guarantee, so you'll be getting the money back guarantee if you go with IIM Skills. That is not available in the case of Grand Thornton. Okay. LMS access, you'll be getting lifetime LMS access if you go for a master program with IIM Skills, but that is not available in the case of Grand Thornton. So you'll only be getting 1 year LMS access if you go with Grand Thornton. Okay. So based on these comparison, so IIM Skills have scored 10 out of 10, while Grand Thornton has scored 6 out of 10. Okay. So based on these comparison, based on my analysis, and so I would personally recommend you to go with IIM Skills because this course offers more extensive kind of learning. Along with that, so there will be some other benefits that you'll be getting as a part of this course, like placement support, the money back guarantee, LMS access, and internship support. Okay. So I hope you'll find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.